So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Bitcoin Cash, ticker symbol BCH, in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go into your cryptocurrency account. Once you're in your crypto account, I go to the bottom bar here and press on the magnifying glass. Once you're on this screen, I simply just scroll all the way down to where it says trending categories and press on crypto. Then once you're in this screen, scroll all the way down until you see ticker symbol BCH or Bitcoin Cash. So right here, Bitcoin Cash, I'll press on that right there. Then once you're on this screen, simply just go to the bottom left here and press on buy. And then once you're on this screen, type in the amount of money in which you wish to invest into Bitcoin Cash. So if you wanted to do $1, for example, press on $1, then press on continue. Then to confirm your order, just press on confirm order. And that is how you guys can buy Bitcoin Cash, ticker symbol BCH in Canada here on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.